Hey, what's up, folks? This is my new beater project car. This is a 2001 Prelude SH. It has 210,000 miles. It's a one owner, one family car. I just picked it up the other day, and the car was $29.50. It has some small minor issues, a few lights on the dash, and needed some paint correction. I've put about 8 hours of paint correction into it so far, so this is the good side. But I'm going to be doing a series of videos on this car. Usually I talk about my Fiesta ST or my Civic, but this is my new project. So I just picked this up the other day, and really excited about it. It's a cool car, and I'm going to be doing like I said, a number of videos about some different things I'm doing. Not going to do a lot of mods to this car. Just want to get it as close back to stock new condition as I can. So I'll tell you a little bit about it here. So this is the side I have done paint correction. Still need to pull some dents out of the side, and but everything you can see here has been buffed, waxed. The car was in a sandstorm, and I spent about 2 hours alone on this hood, and I got it looking really good. But this is kind of the bad side. You can just see all this grit here. So the whole car was covered with grit. All the windows, this part of the price being so cheap, all the windows were covered with grit. I had to razor all of them, and the hood was real bad. But as you can see, it came out pretty decent with a number of products, a lot of work. Thinking about painting the front end, maybe the bumper because of that. But anyhow, it's in decent shape, and I'm going to do some videos, like I said, talking about it. I'll show you the interior. Car is mostly stock except for tinted windows. It has a real nice Kenwood head unit. Like I said, it's got a bunch of miles, but the car runs like new. I was shocked when I test drove this car. I wasn't even serious about buying it actually, because of the miles, but I've driven some with about half this mileage on it, and this drove so much better than those, and just because it was taken care of. So but yeah, like I said, it's got the head unit. It actually has tinted windows, and then it's got some rotor upgrades here. You can see, I don't think those are the stock brakes, so but the car's got new tires. They're only 2,000 miles old. They're Toyos. They're decent tires. It's got an oil leak, as you can see. Need to look into that. And I'll pop the hood, show you what's underneath. And this car runs like a dream. I drove it back from North Atlanta to Augusta, and the car was smooth sailing, cold air, 80 miles an hour. And real clean engine bay. I haven't detailed this yet, but it's also got a newish alternator. It's got a new battery. It's got a new radiator. It's got a timing belt was done, and water pump and tensioner about 2,000 miles ago, and a couple other new parts, but that's the main stuff, that and the tires. So anyhow, in terms of work to do, like I said, I did paint correct this side, so it looks pretty snazzy. Still need to paint correct this side. I cleaned the headlights and put some sealer on them. It also does have aftermarket halogens. I forgot, or not halogens, but you know, actually I don't remember what they are, but they're in the paperwork. But it's got some aftermarket bulbs in there. And stock wheels are in good shape. Again, after just like paint correcting, finishing, cleaning it up, you know, got to clean up some stuff like this here and a lot of this stuff, and you can see some of that, again, that sand on the paint. But I'm thinking about painting the wheels gray. I'm thinking about that. I'm gonna retint that window. It's because it's bubbling, just that one. I got new labels on the way for the Type SH and the VTEC, and got a few little things. Like I said, there's a couple oil leaks I need to address, a few O-rings, gaskets, and gonna change all the fluids, and change the ATTS fluid, change the oil filter, manual transmission fluid, and probably a few other things. But anyhow, I will post some more videos as I work on this car. And also, I might have mentioned this, I'm going to pull some dents. There's a number of dents in this side. I've got a dent puller. So anyhow, really other than that, it's mostly just fluids and cosmetic stuff. And car runs awesome. I'll do a POV drive at some point. But anyhow, this is my new addition to my driveway, so I thought I'd just snap a quick video of it and share it with you, and have some more videos on this car coming up. Thanks for watching.